Join me as I dive into the challenge of mastering verb dar in Spanish. Can I use it correctly in a whole conversation? The verb dar is one of the most common and versatile verbs in Spanish, and it translates to give. Mastering dar can significantly boost your confidence in speaking Spanish. Think about all the situations where you can use dar, giving directions, offering help, or even expressing gratitude. One of the biggest hurdles learners face with dar is its various conjugations and the different contexts in which it can be used. For instance, dar can mean to give, but it can also mean to give someone a ride or to take a class. The multiple meanings can be overwhelming. Adding to the complexity are the different conjugations in various tenses. The present tense conjugations of dar are doy, das, da, damos, dan. For example, yo doy un regalo a mi hermana, which means I give a gift to my sister. In the preterite tense, it changes to di, diste, dio, dimos, dieron. So, ella dio una conferencia ayer means she gave a conference yesterday. The imperfect tense is used for ongoing or repeated actions in the past, and dar becomes daba, dabas, daba, dabamos, daban. Let's look at an example in a sentence. Cuando era niño, mi abuela daba consejos sabios, meaning, when I was a child, my grandmother used to give wise advice. The future tense is straightforward. You simply add the endings to the infinitive dar. Daré, darás, dará, daremos, darán. Imagine you're at a Latin American festival and someone exclaims, "Vamos a dar una vuelta en la montaña rusa." We're going to ride the roller coaster. Here, dar doesn't mean to give. It means to take or to ride. This kind of usage can be quite different from what you might be used to. To wrap it up, dar is incredibly versatile and fundamental in Spanish. It can be used in many contexts and tenses, making it a verb you should definitely master. If you've had any interesting experiences with dar, share them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on Spanish language and grammar to continue improving your skills.